In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete backup on Microsoft Authenticator. Microsoft Authenticator doesn't offer a simple delete backup button that wipes everything from the cloud in one tap. Instead, the practical way to remove your backup is to turn off cloud backup inside the app, which deletes the cloud copy tied to your Microsoft account. I'll walk you through that first, then show you a full reset option on Android if you need a clean slate. Start by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. In the app, go to Settings. Depending on your device, this might be the three-dot menu in the corner or a small gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look for Backup. Inside Backup, turn off Cloud Backup. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the backup. This action removes the cloud backup associated with your Microsoft account. Give it a moment to sync. You're telling the service to discard the stored copy, and once it completes, there won't be a backup available to restore from. A quick note about what this means. When cloud backup is turned off and you confirm deletion, the old cloud copy is removed. If you decide to turn cloud backup back on later, the app will create a fresh backup from whatever accounts are currently in your Authenticator at that time, effectively replacing the previous backup. That's the intended way to clear the old backup and start clean. If you want everything gone from your device as well, there is a full reset option on Android. Go to your phone settings, open apps, find Microsoft Authenticator, then go to storage and choose clear data. Be aware this wipes all Authenticator data on your phone, so you'll need to set up your accounts again afterward. Use this only if you're comfortable reconfiguring your sign-in methods. A few important reminders before you make changes. The backup is tied to your Microsoft account, not just your phone, so turning off cloud backup in the app is what triggers removal of the cloud copy. If cloud backup is still on, your data may continue to exist in the cloud. Some accounts, especially work or school ones, may require resetup after you delete or reset, and policies can vary. Most importantly, if you delete your backup incorrectly or before confirming you have other ways to sign in, you could lose the ability to restore your Authenticator accounts. Before you proceed, make sure you have alternate sign-in methods and any recovery codes provided by your services. That's it. You've now seen how to remove your Microsoft Authenticator backup by turning off cloud backup and how to fully reset on Android when needed.